Okay, so my boss put in the chat that she wants us to submit any outstanding reimbursements. So let's go to Swit Home and then down to the Approvals tab. And up here, we will just select New Request. For a template, we do have a few of these, so I'm going to go and select Expense Reimbursement. And that just lays out the information really nicely to make sure that I don't forget anything. So I'll enter today's date, and then the related task is going to be continuing education. And then for the item, I'm going to put my admission fee. Here I'm going to put the date of the conference. And then I will explain that it was for our annual conference. And enter the cost as $532.21. Since I don't have a second item, I'm going to skip this part. And then down here, I'm just going to put the price as the subtotal and enter my bank information. Since I had most of my team with me, I am going to circulate this to them. And here I will add a picture of my receipt. So for my level 1 approver, I'm going to select Kim, and then I'll add another level, and here I will put Natalie. I'm also going to CC Gina so that she can see this approval, and add customer success as my recipient team. So we're ready to submit, so I'll click here. And then here you see past and present approvals. And after a quick refresh, we see that it has been approved.